I was spraying on the pasture with my other drone and seeing all these posts on Facebook about needing helicopters, needing helicopters, needing helicopters. I know that these drones can be some help.
Taking off.
Yeah, that's us.
Drones have become a popular tool in agriculture. Surrey County farmer Preston now knows that technology can serve as a vital tool in times of disaster.
There's got to be situations where we can fly stuff over bridges, fly stuff within 1,000 feet with our ag drones.
Through Facebook, he connected with others who wanted to support the post-Helene rescue and recovery efforts in western North Carolina.
National Guard wants us to fly anything and everything.
Together, this self-formed drone team made a difference in the days after the storm.
We was there handing out supplies to people passed out for miles. One person, we had enough gas there to fill up their car. They're from Georgia, so they was able to get home. We was able to take 3 trips, 3 shopping carts full over the river with an ag drone and drop it down to an elderly couple. 5 cases of water, I think like 10 gallons of gas and some food. Best Way Ag, so they got fly carts down here. We can use our other drones, smaller drones with speaker systems on it. We've got recordings on it. We can go out to the community, yell at them through the speaker of the drone.
We know you're here. We are sending help.
And we can hear what they say back, fly back, bring the fly cart in and drop stuff.
A perfect example of how a little innovation can help during challenging times.
It's everything. I mean, it's awesome.